Devin Segura, and I'm going to walk through my contribution for terrain generation. And so this is all stuff my partners did, but if you go down here, my main task was the GUI that allowed the user to interact with how high to make the thing, how high to make the hills, how high, or if you wanted to flatten them out, and I also created a thing to reset it. So here is the class, and when this is ran, you're going to create a new JFrame. You're going to exit on closed, you're going to set a size, and then it's going to have a flow layout. And so here I create a slider, and I make it set from 1 to 5 because it's a height multiplier. So we didn't want it to multiply by 100 or 40 because we tried that, it didn't work. And so with the set tick spacing, you'll see each tick is with 1, and then this stuff is just for if we want to actually paint the ticks and then also have labels. So those are both true. Here we create a label. Here we create a button that flattens it, and when it does, it calls update terrain and flatten, and you'll see that in my teammates code. And then here's the reset button, and this resets it to the regular height, which would just be 1. Here's the update, and this will take the height multiplier and then set update. And again, you'll see this update terrain in my partner's code. And then here's the end button. And so when someone presses this, they will go and it'll say program ended, and it'll exit the program. And then here what it does is it changes the height multiplier, which you'll see to the value of the height slider. And then this is stuff that my teammate did. So I'm going to go ahead and move this out the way. And I'm going to run this GUI class. And so this calls terrain generation. Sorry, I had it all selected, I mean. This has it, this terrain GUI works off of this. So that means this is working. So I don't know if I have to necessarily show it running, but using this terrain GUI shows that it is running and working. And so I'm going to bring the terrain. So this is the OBJ file that we get from the terrain. And we're just going to run this. And you see when I bring this in, here's the GUI. And so this is the user interaction that we were talking about that was required. And so let's do a drastic change. So we're going to hit update on 5 right now. And you'll see in a second that it gets drastically changed. And then here I'll say, oh, actually I want it to be flattened. So I'm going to click on flattened. It's going to go completely flat. And then I'm going to click reset. And it'll go back to normal. And then if I go down here and just click 3 and hit update, it'll now update changed terrain. And so this will be really cool for some type of automatic terrain generator, maybe like the game where like 2 tanks shoot at each other. That would be cool. But yeah, that is I believe all that I have to show. Yeah, so thank you. Oh, and then when you click end, it goes ahead and ends the program down here. And so yeah, thank you, Dr. Sanders, and I appreciate you watching this video.